So let's start with the unboxing of the latest products that I received at the end of 2024 from Chiji. They are a series of accessories for the AIO 5 series navigators, so the Play for BMW and the Lite. Also in this case we have a case, the official case, certainly nice in the sense that I had already tried one that was not its own, but it was adapted and worked. But this is definitely something better. First because it is the original, then because it is also very nice to look at. Let's see how it is made. It is a classic semi-rigid case, nothing special, but let's see how it is made inside and then we try it with a navigator. We have the interior that is completely covered in this kind of velvet, so it is scratch-proof. We have an elastic band that should keep everything in place, and also here an area with a net and zip closure where you can put any accessories, cables and so on. Now let's take the navigator and see how it is. In this case we have my Chiji AIO 5 Play for BMW, but let's say it's the same as the AIO 5 Lite or the standard AIO 5 Play. Let's see how it fits inside. The insertion is certainly practical, even the case has the right size compared to the other one that left some space. So even if you have the model with the standard Play, which is slightly thicker, it has absolutely no problem. After that you see, I find it convenient in the sense that I rarely remove the navigator from the bike. Unless I leave the bike parked, I don't like leaving the bike in unfrequented areas, but when it happens I take it off and normally I never know where to put it, so I put it in my jacket. It's true that I mounted the protective film, so there are no big problems there either, but it's always better to have a case. In this case I leave it here, I close it, I put it in my backpack, and I'm sure I won't do any particular damage, also because you all know that Chiji is not a particularly cheap product. In fact, it is a product that certainly has a significant cost. It is worth every penny. I always read comments on the various videos of the channel where many complain about the price. It's true. It is a product that costs over 400 euros against the BMW Navigator, which is a 5.5 inch and costs around 600 euros. It can be found for around 600 euros since it's been out for a year. Between the two I won't go back, in the sense that I continue to prefer the Chiji, even though it also has the connected ride navigator, now unused, and I use it just to do some tests and some comparisons. Let's say that until BMW releases a decent app, I won't think of using it anymore, also because with the Chiji I can choose which application to use. There are literally hundreds of navigation applications, and I can listen to music with a quality that BMW, let's say, unfortunately does not have, and it is a real shame. This could be a good purchase, considering that it costs about 30 euros, it is not such a big investment. In my opinion, it could be worth it. Nothing, I leave you all the links in the description also with the 10% discount coupon. I do not know if there will be further discounts during the Black Friday period. Go and see. Honestly, I do not follow much because time is short. However, here, I repeat, I leave you the link and you will find everything. I also leave you the link, both on the Chiji site and on the Amazon site, so you can also make a comparison. As always, I invite you to leave a like, and if you are not subscribed, I also invite you to subscribe to the channel. You give us a hand, and in exchange, we try to bring news to the market regularly. Thanks and see you next time.